Hi everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, it is audible and visible. Yes. Hi everyone. Hi. Okay. Hi. Hi. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed. Good morning everyone. Good morning those who have joined so far. Good morning each and everyone. And yesterday we have discussed the introduction. Today how told we will going for the next basic. That is yes. Next one what we have is we have the part that is AP lesson. I am going to engage that I have told you. So today I am here to engage that lesson, that is AP lesson, and very important the AP lesson will play very important role for your exam point of view, because it is a total how many marks you are going to marks have the 4 marks questions, and also it may be coming for the 3 marks questions also. So for that purpose, so today we will going to start the AP lesson. And before going to that, how many of you are here? Just to put the yes and hi or anything, so I can call your name once. So how many of you are joined for that purpose? So Twisha is here first, and Sophia is here. Yes, you can once you type anything so that we can see your name. How many of you are Prashant, Suvarna, okay, Bhumika is here, Ronaldo, Vasudev, I think. Then Lata is given, Sanjay, I think. Then Sneha, Nandini, Mantasha, Kirti. Okay, okay, okay. There are lots of members. Muhammad. Then we have Mantasha, Nandini. Okay, then we have Sanjana as Disha R. Disha Anmore, Manju, and Chetan, Ananya, Sakshi is here. Okay, Chaitanya and Charitra is okay. Chaitra is here. So this much of students are here. Yes, Varamahalakshmi is also here. So let us start today's class. That is AP lessons, and some of you have sent the doubt in the last day. Yesterday, I have sent the doubt for me, and I told you to send. How many of you have doubt? You can send. So anyone those who have sent, you can say it to me now, because we have to find, means we can't leave any questions now. So for that purpose, from the AP lesson, I'm talking only about the AP today. So only AP lesson. Anyone have sent, just you put up mark, because I have found some few of them only. So let us have now. If you have a doubt, also you can put it in a WhatsApp, which you have. You can put, or in a this one also you can put in a chat, also you can type that question, so that I can make sure that I will solve that problem for you. So let us start for the today's class. All of you are ready, means we will start today's class. Okay, let us start today's class quickly, starting with the intro. Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution Math. I am your tutor Sumant here. So today we are going to learn the AP lesson. That is a doubt clearing class. That is from the lesson Arithmetic Progression. So today we are going to solve the Arithmetic Progression doubts what you have. Before going for the doubts, so what actually this lesson is and what type of lesson it is, just we will go through it. This lesson totally based on, okay, this lesson is totally based on what, only for the like logic questions. It is like a logic question, so you have to find the missing term like this way. So just you remember. Okay, so first AP, when it will come AP, it is nothing big for you. That is only the first thing you have to remember. If there is a given number 2 3 4, okay, don't want 2 3 4, just little bit we will change. If you will take a 2 5 and 8, and next number we can guess them. Yes, you can guess the next number. The first number over here, what we will call for this first number? So whether it is in a AP, first we will see whether this thing is in a AP, whether the given numbers are in AP. Just we will give the introduction for the AP, then we will go for the doubt questions. So whether it is in a AP, the given number 2 5 and 8, Yes, quickly, who will answer? I want to see the first name. Who will answer? Yes, it is in AP. Yes, Nandini, it is in AP. Good. So this number is in AP because this sequence 2 is the first number. That 2 number we will call something. Afterwards we will listen. Find that 5 is there. That is the difference here is plus 3. So it is increasing by plus 3. So if you have any number, sequence of number which is having a sequence of adding the number and you are getting the next number. So if for the previous number, you are adding a sequence of equal number, that is plus 3 is adding, that you are getting 5, then you are again adding 3, then you are getting 8, then again you are adding 3 and you are going to get the next number, that is 11. So this is called the D value. The what we will have here, that is D. Very good, Disha Shetty. The D value is nothing but the common difference. But what we will call for this A? Quickly glance, because just we will go for the basic, then we will go for the a good question. Hi everyone, hi. So what is that 2 is referred as? What we will call for that 2? What we will call for that 2 now? Yes, A, very good. The A is here 2. The first letter, what we have, first number, what we have, that is nothing but 2. So very importantly, that you have to understand. Okay. So next. Similarly, anything else we have here? Leaving this, yes, first letter is a value, that is 2. So these are the thing we have to remember. Yes, in a sequence is given, that time we have to understand what is a value and what is d value. This is our basic. Then we can find the next numbers also. So here we have the terms. The first one is 2, next one is 5, next number is 8, next number is 11, and it will move on, it will move on continuously. But I will tell you, this is the first term, this is the first term, so we will write a1. The second term we will write a2. This is the third term we will write a3. Similarly, it will go on, and the last term we will have. This last term it may be having. So that term is called an. That n value refers to which term it is. The first term is a1, that is 2 number. A third term, the third term is 8, that third term. But an refers to, it is not a last term. Some of you are getting confused. An is the last term, you will think. Actually, an is not a last term. Remember, in your textbook also they have given an is the last term or what, I don't know. But an is not a last term. An refers to the unknown term. Remember, means if you are finding a9, then unknown for us, that is a9. Ninth term is which one? If I will tell find ninth term. If I will tell find ninth term means the n value will become 9. Means that whether it is not possible to have the next number. Yes, you have a10 also, a11 also, a12 also. So that I am saying an, when they will refer, no, it is not the last term. Here it is an unknown term. An will become the unknown term which we are going to find. Arman. Okay, hi Arman. So this is the an. An is not a last term, that I want to clarify. So here very important, what is the value of that an? An formula we have. What is the formula of an? Anyone? Will you say quickly? What is the formula to find an? Yes. Anyone? An formula. Anyone will you say? Quickly. Yes, it is good. That is given. Kirti, she has given a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, an formula is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the most important formula to find the nth term. Very good. Those several students are given. Who will give the first answer? That I will tell their names. So Kirti here is she have given. So an value is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the nth term formula. Remember nth term formula. And next, coming to the next part. So that is nothing but the sum of n terms. Here sum of n terms is nothing but, if I will tell you what are these sum of the first 3 terms of this AP. Okay, what is the sum of the first 3 terms of an AP? Then we will call, we have to add the 3 terms. The 2 plus 5 plus 8 means we have to add the 3 terms. If you will add the 3 terms, that is called as a Sn. So Sn value will become here 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So S3 value is nothing but 15, because for this term Sn value will become 15 for only first 3 terms. So if I asked you to find the sum of 15 term. The first 15 term sum we have to find. That time you can't follow this method because next number we have 11, next number we have to find 14 because 3 difference we have 17. That time we have to add till 15 terms. It is not possible. So for that purpose we have SN formula. What is that SN formula is? Similar formula as this one. That A1 formula, but only one few thing is changed. It is nothing but first it will come n by 2. Yes, it will come n by 2. Yes, Twisha, you have given that answer. Very good. And several students have given, but you have used the formulas that it is not showing on the screen. Okay, it is nothing but n by 2. First, Twisha, she have given n by 2 into. Okay, several students have given the answer, but it is not showing because you have used the symbols, special symbols for that purpose. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find the Sn. So here, according to this question, if you want to find sum of n terms, so that is ninth term or 15th term, like this way they will give substitute that value and find that answer. So like this way we can find the sum. Sn refers to sum of n terms, an refers to that term. For example, which is that ninth term I have talking about. So according to that, if you want to find the ninth term, that is ninth term which it is, to find it, what we have to do here is first you have to take the a value. So we will rub everything and we will take that which value we have here. So we have taken the sequence of the number 2, 5 and 8. You can take any sequence. It is not that you have to take same sequence. So we will find the a ninth term. So to find the a ninth term, we require the a value. A value refers to the first term 2. That is a is nothing but this 2 is the first a value. That is a value is 2. And n value refers to, see here I have not told that the n value is last term. Here the n value referring as the 9 because we are finding the ninth term. So n value will become 9. So it is 9 minus 1 into d. So according to that, 2 plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into the d value. The d value refers to a difference between these two terms. Any two terms you can take. Okay, that how to find, just I will tell you. The a value is 2, d value is nothing but a2 minus a1, and you know that a2 is nothing but this one 5 and a1 refers to 2. So here the difference will become 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. So d value will become 3. So here I can substitute 3. So 2 plus, use the BODMAS rule, don't add 2 and 8 first, you have to multiply first. So 8 3 is the 24, 24 plus 2 is the how much? 24 plus 2 is 26. So this is your final answer. So A9, that is the A ninth term. Ninth term is nothing but 26 is your answer. So like this way you can find any term. Yes, you can find the value of any term that is using the an formula, nth term formula. Now we will move on to the Sn. Sn is nothing but, see, I'm again and again saying an refers to which term we are finding. For example, if we are going like this way, continuation. So for example, next it will come 70, next it will come 20, 23, 26 and 29. See here, ninth term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term and the ninth term, A9. So see here, A ninth term is 26. That is only the answer we have got. This is called AN. Sn means we have to add all the term, how much number they have given. For example, we are finding the S8, sum of the first 8 term. Means we have to add this all the term which is going to come first 8. So this first 8 terms we have to add and we have to write the sum of it. That is called as a S8. So that is nothing but sum of the first 8 terms. So similarly, it is small number have taken 8. Instead of 8, you can take 100 also. What they will give in the question that we have to follow. So n value is 8 by 2 into a value already we know. A value is 2. D value is 3. Substitute and find the answer. So n value is here 2 because n value is is 8 because we are finding the sum of the first 8 term. So here 2 into 2 plus n value is 8 minus 1 into d value is 3 here. Here only we have 3. So according to that 4 into 2 to the 4 plus 7 into 3. 8 minus 1 is 7. So use the BODMAS rule. 4 you keep it as it is. First you have to solve the bracket. Inside the bracket again we have multiplication. So don't add that 4 and 7. You have to multiply first. So 8, 4 as it is. 7, 3 is 21. So 4 into, yes, 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So this is the how you can find the sum of 8 terms. Sum of 8 terms refers to you are added this 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20 and 23. Continuously you have added and you got the answer as 100. And Vasudev Bhatt he have given the first answer and Mantasha she have given the answer means formula she have written. Very nice. So this is the answer. This, when you will add the first 8 term, it will become 100. So this is all about the basic. In this also some basic things you have. So what the basic thing they have given for you is they have given SN formula. One more SN formula they have mentioned for you. That is nothing but n positive integer. N positive integer. Sum of n positive integer. See, this is also very important for 1 marks question. Sum of first n positive integer refers to nothing but sum of same integer or sum of first n natural number. Both are same. See here, both the things are same. Here, what is this? Natural number or positive integer? You know the integer. Integer means what? What is integer? Yes, you know the formula, I know. But what is the integer? What do you mean by integer? Integer means what? Yes, you have given the formula. I know that formula. But what is integer? Afterwards, we will talk about the formulas. Disha, Kirti, Mantasha, she have given the answer. But I am asking what is integer? Integer here refers to any positive and negative number including 0. That is called as integer. So here they are saying that see, this is 1 marks question. You make a very important note. Yes, very good, Trisha. So yes, Sneha also, Sneha Naik also. You make a very important note. Here you can write it down important. Why it is important means 1 marks question may be asked. So multiple choice question they will ask. So you have to choose the correct one from it. So for that purpose it is important. So it is 0 in between, 1 will be here, 2 will be here. On all these are positive values and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on. It will be negative values on the left hand side. So here according to the question, first n positive integer. Positive integer starts from 1 only. Remember, it is not 0. 0 will not have the negative or positive. So only it is start from the 1 onwards. So these are the positive integer. If you will add first n positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will continue. Similarly, natural number. So whether the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are natural number, these are also a natural number. So I have told there are two methods to confuse you. In your textbook they have only given sum of first n integer, positive integer they have given. But to confuse you in exam they may give what is the formula to find sum of first n natural number also. So remember the difference is nothing. It's the same terms these are. Sum of first n positive integer is nothing but sum of first natural and natural numbers. Both are same. Both are not different. So don't get confused if they have an integer, that is positive integer, or natural number, same formula. Okay, understood? I hope you think so. And what is the formula is? Just I will take it this side. The formula to find this one is nothing but, see here the numbers are here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is continuation and natural number these are. So here the a value will become 1 because the first letter is, first number is the a, and d value is nothing but a2 minus a1. So a2 means 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So obviously same formula. So you can go with, if you don't know the formula, you can go with like this way. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a. The 2a means 2 into a value is there 1. So I will go with the formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you have forgot that formula, you can go like this way to write down that formula, derive that formula. Very easy it is. N by 2 because n value you don't know, but a value you know, that a value is 1. So 2 into 1 plus n value you don't know, so n minus 1 into d value is 1. Difference between the two terms are 1. So according to that, n by 2 into 2 plus 1 you multiply for n and 1 you multiply for minus 1. So 1 into n is n, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So minus them, n as it is you keep, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So this is the formula, that is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Directly you can write down this formula, but those who have forgot this formula in examination, those who forgot this formula in examination, you can derive it, because 1 marks also very important. I'm saying I want that 1 marks from you. So if you forgot what is the formula to find the n positive integer, if you forgot also, derive that formula, and this is the formula. Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and how it came, just I have derived and done for you. You can take a screenshot of it, because it is not given in your textbook. I think so. They have not mentioned in your textbook how it came. How this formula is derived, they have not given. I have given for you just to make a screenshot, or just to take a screenshot, or just to write it down one side, because very important formula for 1 mark. So this is one formula, and one more formula we have, Sn formula. I hope you have, all of you remember that one more formula. What is that one more formula? Is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula can be rewritten. How we can rewrite this formula is, n by 2 you keep it as it is, but 2a can be written as a plus a. Yes, yes, this one is a plus a. Yes, we can write down 2a as a plus a, and next everything I will write down as it is, n minus 1. Yes, n minus 1 into d. So the one more derivation I am showing for you. So this one, something you have studied, what is this? Yes, this is what, a plus n minus 1 into d is referred as what? Referred as what? Yes, it is nothing but an. Yes, it is an. So a plus, this whole thing is nothing but an. So this is the one more formula of Sn, how you can find. This formula you can refer when they will give the first term and the last term. Here I am saying an is the last term, because that term you must know, because you have to understand it is the last term. When they will give, then only in question they will give the ninth term. The last term of an AP is 9. If they will mention, then only an will become the last term. So this is the formula, or instead of that, they will give the word, difference word they will give. They will keep it as it is, but instead of an they will give L also. L means last. Here L refers to what? Last. Very good. Several students have given that answer. Yes. So several students have given this answer. That Kirti have given, Disha Shetty is given, Suvarna also given, then Chaitanya and Mantasha and several students are given, Sanjana also and Varmalakshmi also. Very good. So this is all about your formulas. Now we will go for the doubt. What you have given for me to solve. Let us go with the doubt. Anyone have a doubt till here? Just I have given the basic for you. Just if you have any doubt regarding this, just you have to make a note for me and tell me if you have a doubt. Otherwise, we will continue with the next part. Anyone have a doubt? Yes. No. Okay. Let me go for the some question which you have given as a doubt. The first question. This question is given by Sneha Naik. This question is given by Sneha Naik. So from Murdeshwar. Sneha Naik from Murdeshwar, RNS Vidyaniketan School. Okay, she has given this question. Sneha Naik, the first question. So she is asking here, in an AP, the first term is 2. The sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the sum of the next 5 terms. Show that the 20th term is 100 minus 112, 112. That is, you have to go with the negative sign. This is the question she is asked for me, and this is a very good question, because here now what is the thing, if you read the question properly, you will come to know what is the doubt is. Here they have given the sum of first 5 terms, okay, and they are equating that to is 1/4 of the sum of the next 5 terms. Remember, here the word referring as next 5 terms, not first 5 terms, next 5 terms. Okay, so this is only the one confusion you have to find. And here you are not finding that a 20th term. Here you are showing that 20th term is minus 112. Means they have given the answers for you also. Already they have given the answer, but here you have to show them it as 112 as the answer, that negative 112 as the answer. But what they have given? The given thing is for you is a value, because in an AP first term is a 2. What do you mean by first term? So understand the question. So let us write it down what they have given. Just we will make a note of it. So we will write it down. They have given in AP. It is in AP it seems, and the first term is 2 means, so first term will be 2, and we don't know the next terms. It is moving on. AP is, we have 2 and it is continue, but we don't know what is that terms are. Okay, so the first term they have given. So what do you mean by first term? Just now how told, what is that first term is? A value, yes. So A value will become 2. Yes, very good. The A value will become 2. So here the A value is nothing but the 2, first term. Okay. Next, what is the relation they have given? The relation here they have given as, read it once again, the question. So just I will mark that. You have to understand the mark. So I will mark that. Sum of first 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms they have given. So here very importantly, whether it is a Sn or An, because no, some directly will say it is Sn. So it is Sn because sum of they have given. But don't get confused. So sometimes they will give like this way. Sum of fifth and eighth term. See, remember I am giving one other question. You have to understand whether it's the AN or SN. You have to understand. For that purpose, I have given one more question for you. Sum of fifth and eighth term is 16. If I will tell you like this way, sum of sum of fifth and eighth term is 16. If this question is given, whether this question, for this question I am talking about, for this question, so I have marked here, I will mark it. For this question which I have marked here, what will be the formula? Don't want the previous question, what you have actually given as a doubt. Sneha, which doubt she have asked now? I'm not talking about that question now. I have given different question. So answer to me whether this which I have written here, whether it is the Sn formula you are applying here or An formula you are applying. Yes, very good, Vidya and Sneha. So here you can't go with the Sn formula. Here you have to go with the An formula. Why? See, here they have also used the sum. So as the previously here mentioned as sum, no, here also they have mentioned as a sum only. But the problem is, the problem is nothing but a sum of fifth they have given. See the question, th. It is given as th. Whenever they will give you in terms of th here, which means that it is an. Remember, if they have given as a th on the top of it, then it is called as a fifth, plus sum means here plus, and eighth th they have given, th means a8, that is equals to 16. Okay, remember always th plays very important role. Th refers to, this th refers to an, not sn. In sn they will not give th for you. See, for example, in this previous question only, which is Neha she have given. So in that question, if you will refer it properly, just I will rub this. In this question, what she have given, no? In that question, if you can refer here, so here they have given 5 terms. First 5 terms. Remember, first 5 terms. The word first 5 terms they have given means it is a sum. So we will write down the formula. Sum of first 5 terms means S5 is means equals to 1/4. That continue the question. 1/4. 1/4 means 1 by 4. Fourth of into. Fourth of means into sum of next 5 terms. Okay, this is very interesting. Next 5 terms, not first 5 terms, next 5 terms. So let us write it down. First term is a1, next term is a2, third term is a3, next term is a4, next term is a5, next term is a6, a7, a8, a9, a10, and like this way it will continue. Again you can write it on a11, a12, a13 and a14 and continue. You can do. It is not the problem for us, so I will write it down. So no need for confusion. Okay, a11, a12, a13, it will continue like this way. Okay, so now all of you remember, Yes, all of you remember. First 5 terms means A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. We have to add these 5 terms because they have given S5, the first 5 terms. Now they are saying sum of next 5 terms. What do you mean sum of next 5 terms? Whether again I have to start from A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Well, next 5 terms means what? A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. So we have to add some of the next 5 terms as A6, A7. Very good. A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. But the problem is I can't write here directly S10. If I write here sum of the next term is S10. S10 refers to what? Sum of all this. S10 means all this. So what I have to do? I have to take it from only from A6, not from A1 to A10. I have to take only from A6 onwards because next 5 terms they have. So what I can use here? Only I have to take A6, A7, A8, A9 and A10. So for that purpose, yes, what we can do here is think that if you have a big line, consider this line as AB, and that AB line is total length is okay. So total length is 10 centimeter. Yes, total length is 10 centimeter. Yes, but here one more point we have C. That length is 4 centimeter. So what is the length of BC? I want only BC. I want only BC. Very good. The answers are coming from it. Kirti, Sneha, Vasudev Bhatt, Sri Lakshmi, and Disha, RH, and Mantasha. Also, she have given the answer. Nothing but BC value will become 6. How it is? Total length minus small length. That is nothing but 10 minus 4. That is equal to 6. Same procedure we will follow. We will find the sum of all this term. Sum of all this term we will find. That is S10 we will find. In that S10 we have to minus first 5 terms, that is minus S5. So put that in a bracket. Now it is proper. Yes, this is the way we have to understand. So next 5 terms are nothing but first you have to take the sum of all the 10 terms. In that afterwards we have to minus this first 5 terms sum. So that time it is left only sum of the next 5 terms. So this is the way how we have to use your brain. Okay, this much is enough, and I hope you have understood. Anyone have a doubt, you can ask. The formula will become like this way. If you are not getting this, you can ask me. And here also some student will make a very big problem. What they will do is directly they will substitute the formula. Don't substitute the formula directly. Make it simple. Here also s minus 5 we have, here also s minus 5 we have. Make sure that s minus 5 must go with the same side, left hand side or right hand side, shift it. So what we can do, we can go for that. So multiply this 1 by 4 for both the term because it is outside the bracket. We have to multiply for S10 also, S5 also. So 1/4 of S10 minus, because this 1 by 4 we have to multiply for both first term also, second term also. So 1 by 4 into 10 s minus S10 we've got, and next one is 1 by 4th of S5 minus we have, and on the left hand side we have S5 as it is. So again continuation part, bring that s minus 5 because both of them are same kind, s minus 5 and this is also s minus 5, that is a like term. You bring that s minus 5 one side, so bring this s minus 5 on this left hand side, so it will become s minus 5. The negative s 1/4 of s minus 5 you bring to the other side, it will become 1/4 as a positive s5, 1/4 of s5, that is equals to 1/4 of S10 will remain as it is. Okay, now you take the LCM. Again, don't substitute the formula. Take the LCM. 1 and 4 LCM is 4 only. So write down that 4 as it is. Okay, now that LCM will play very important role. 4 is LCM, 1 and 4 LCM is 4. This 4 will go up. So 4 into S5. Nothing but you have to multiply 4 here and you have to multiply 4 here in your mind. So 4 and 1 will not be cancelled. This 4 and this 1 will not be cancelled. So 1 into S5 is 4 S5. Plus 4 and 4 get cancelled. Only will remain is a 1 S5. So it is, you can directly write down 1 S5. Or S5 you can write it down directly. So this is the LCM. Okay. Next part we have to move on to the next on the right hand side. So right hand side it is nothing changed. It is 1 by 4th of S10. Write it down as it is. No change at all. So we will take addition of that. So addition of this is nothing but 4 plus 1 is 5s5. We can add because both of them are the same kind. Divided by 4 we have, that is equals to 1/4 of s10. And remember, you don't have any addition and subtraction here now. So on the right hand side, okay, I will take a little bit down. Okay, I will take on the right hand side only. Here only I will take. See, I will write it down once again. 5 times s5 divided by 4, that is equals to 1/4 of s10. Remember, once again I am saying here we don't have anywhere positive or negative symbol. So 4 we have here, that if we shift on the other side, it will go into the numerator and it will cancel. So that purpose, I will not shift that 4 on the other side. Instead of shifting only, what I will do is here only I will cancel. So that is also possible, or here only you can cancel it, because that 4 will go to the numerator and obviously it will cancel. So here only I have cancelled that 4. Now substitute the formula. 5 times s5 is equals to 1 times s10 is nothing but s10. And now we have to find the value. So according to the formula, 5, keep it as it is, put the bracket, n by 2, 5 by 2 once again. Formula n by 2. So Sn formula you know, I think. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula you substitute. So here n value is 2. Sorry, n value is 5 here into 2a. 2 into a value already we know. A value already given. That is 2. So 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. N value is here 5. See, n value is 5 here. So n minus 1 is 5 minus 1 into d. D value we don't know. So substitute that formula. That is equals to s10. So here we have s10. That value you have to substitute here. Same formula. N by 2. N by 2 means 10 by 2. Now the n value will become 10 because here you have 10. Into 2 into a value is 2. N minus 1, that is the 10 minus 1 into d. So next, 5 and 5 you can multiply, or you can write down as it is, 5 into 5 divided by 2 in a bracket, 2 2s are 4, 4 times d, because 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, next it will continue. 10 minus 5, 10 minus 2 is 5, 2 2s are 4 again, 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 minus 1 is 9d. And next we will continue further again. So here what you can do is multiplication of it. 5 5 is 25 divided by 2. And here you see clearly we have 4 on the both side. That 4 I can take it common. But I will not take 4 common. Instead of 4 common, no, here I will take only 2 common. Why only I am taking the 2 common is here already we have 2 on the denominator. If I can take 4 common, okay, you can take 4 common also, not an issue. Okay, you can take 4 common. Again, note, I will not make any difficult for you. So take that 4 only common. Okay, 4 only you take it common, and inside it will remain 1. 4 ones are 4, and 4 ones are 4d. 4 ones are 4d as it is. Okay, this is the way how you can write it down. So next, I hope you understood. I have taken only 4 common. That is equals to 5 as it is. Now nothing can be taken outside of the common. So now the calculation part. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now multiplication. So here you have 25 into 2. 25 into 2 I will keep it as it is. And here is left is a 1 plus d. That is equals to 5 4. Okay, that's I can bring this 5 on the other side because it is no addition or multiplication. So it will go to the denominator. So it will remain 4 plus 9d only. Okay, so I will take a little bit down. So now the next calculation is 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 2s are 10 will remain, and here it will remain 1 plus d, that is equals to 4 plus 9d. So now this 10 multiply inside. 10 into 1 is 10, 10 into d is 10d, that is equals to 4 plus 9d. So d you shift, see the d value over here is smaller than comparatively this. So this 9d I am shifting to the other side. So 10d minus 9d will be remain. Here it will remain 4 as it is. But this 10 also I am shifting to the other side. When you shift the 10 on the other side, it will become negative 10. So 10 minus 9 is d, because 1d it will remain. That value is nothing but minus 6. We have done so far to find the value of a d. Remember, we have done so far to find the value of d, and a value already we know, that is 2. Why we have to find the d value? That is the question. Why we have to find here d value? That is a question, because in the question, if you see the question clearly, they have told you to find s20. We have to find the 20th term. The s20th term we have to find. So s20th term is very important. So to find that s20th term, sorry, 20th term they have to, not s20, sorry, 20th term they have told you to prove. So for that purpose, here it is 20th term we have to find. So for that purpose we have found. Now my question, we have found the a value, we have found the d value. S, that is the 20th term they have given. 20th term refers to A20 or S20. Put it in a chat. Whether, yes, Neha, she has given already the answer. Yes, it is A20, because I have told you how to identify whether it is a AN or SN. I have already informed you. That is nothing but we have to see the term. Here you can see here 20th they have given, not 20 terms. 20th, th they have mentioned. Th will play very important role. So it is nothing but S and not Sn, it is An. So here you have to find A20. So here it is nothing but 20th term is A20 how to find, because here they have mentioned 20th term they have given, not sum of first 20 term. Okay, so formula remains as it is. An formula, An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a value already know, that's 2, plus n value is the 20. 20 means 20 minus 1, n minus 1, n value is 20 now. D value already know, minus 6. Put it in a bracket. 2 plus 19 it is. 20 minus 1 is 19 into minus 6. 2 plus, okay, here plus or minus we have, because here very importantly here we have plus, here you have into, so don't miss that symbol. Plus into minus, minus. 19 6 is how much? 19 6 is quickly, 19 6 is 114. When you will minus them, and you will get the answer, when you will minus it, and it is properly, you are going to get the answer. Okay, so that answer is nothing but how much? 112. That is negative. Greatest number is having negative symbol. So negative 112 is your A20. And you have proved the 20th term of the given AP is minus 112. Yes. So this is the way how you can find the answer. It looks like very big question. This is become a big question because I have explained it. I'm explaining. So it became a very big question. Actually, it is not a big question. Actually, it is a small question only. It is not a big question, but I'm going to explain. No? So it took a very big question. So here also some of you have sent once again one more doubt. Okay, that doubt which you have sent in WhatsApp and Instagram. Those are sent in Instagram. Some of you have sent now. That question I will solve tomorrow, because continuously we have 3 questions. Again 2 more questions we have that we have to solve because of that. So that question what you have sent in a WhatsApp and Instagram, and I will solve it tomorrow. Those who have my number, you can send it to me in the WhatsApp. Those who don't have my number, put it in a Instagram. Okay, so or you can put it in a comment section. Now for this video only, you put the question in a comment section, so that I will solve in the next class, if you don't have a Instagram also. So anyone have a doubt, means you can ask on this question. Otherwise, I will go for the next doubt which you have sent to me. And next doubt is simple. And next one more is given by Vasudev from Nirmala Convent School, Kumta. So that student have sent one more doubt that we will discuss next. So before that, we have one more question from the same person, Sneha Naik. So that we will solve. Okay. So anyone have a doubt in this question? Quickly. Anyone? No doubt. Okay, let us move to the next question. Okay. If the ratio of the sums of n terms of two APs is n plus 7 and 3n plus 1, find the ratio of seventh term of the two series. Okay. The question is very interesting. And this question is again given by Sneha Naik only from Sneha Naik only from Murdeshwar once again. But why this is very important? This question is 1 or 2 marks question. Remember, this question is not for anything the 3 or 4 marks question. This question is only for 1 or 2 marks. What is the difference? So here read the question once again. Here they have given the question as if the ratio of the sums of the two APs, they have not mentioned as a 1 AP, they have mentioned it as a 2 APs. Okay. So they have not mentioned the 2 APs, here they have mentioned as a 1 AP. So very importantly, this you have to understand. So what we will do here? See, there is no 1 AP. For example, 1 AP you have like this way 2, 5, 8, 10 like this way. Sorry, 2, 5, 8 and one more is 11. You have like this way 1 AP. And one more AP we have that is having the different number. 3, it may be 7, it may be 11 and so on. Like this way we have. There is not having only 1 APs. Here we have 2 APs. And their ratios, the nth term ratio they have given. So they have given the find the ratio, if the ratio of the sum of the n terms. So Sn ratio they have given if this as a n plus 7, and this Sn ratio they have given as a 3n plus 1. Remember, ratio they have given the sum of the different APs, not same APs, different APs. Ratio when it will come, it is nothing but division. Remember, when it will come a ratio, it is nothing but division. So for this purpose, what I will do is here. So Sn, I will take this Sn as a like S, because this is a different AP and this is different AP. So I will take this as Sn, small Sn. This one I will make a little bit big Sn, so that you will come to know the difference between them. Okay, so we have to find the ratio of it. So what will happen? Like Sn divided by small sn, that is equals to, the ratios are n plus 7 divided by 3n plus 1, that is 3n plus 1. Okay, totally it is 2, 3n plus 1. Okay, now what will be the ratio of the 7th term? Find the ratio of the 7th term of the two series. 7th term they have. So how to find the ratio of it? So this is a 1 marks question if they have given the 7th term, sum of first 7 term. But 7th term they have mentioned, so it is not a 2 marks question, it is a very big question. So how it is possible? See, nth terms, A7th we have to find. Now see here, they have told you to find the 7th term. That is capital A7 you take and one more is small a7 you take. That ratio you have to find. How is it possible? Anyone? What you have to do? This is a very interesting question. Is it possible to find? Quickly. Think. I will give the time for you just to think, and how it is possible to solve, just you think. Very interesting question. A plus 6d. Yes, it is A plus 6d. That is not the problem. A plus 6d we can follow. But my question is, both the APs what we have taken are starting with the different terms. Maybe we don't know, and the difference between them also we don't know. Okay, we don't know the difference between them. They have given only one ratio, Sn divided by Sn. Okay, so using that, how it is possible to find it? So very interesting question. Anyone? See, you can find the sum of the first term. Whether it is possible to find the sum of the first term? Is it possible? My question you understood? Whether it is possible to find the sum of the first term? Because S1 divided by S1, the sum of the first term of the capital, that is first AP, we have taken S1, that is nothing but A, for first term of that AP divided by first term of this AP, because S1 refers to the sum of the first term, means only A value. So we can find that like that way. Okay, I'm giving the clue. You can find the S1. S1 is nothing but, see here, if we have A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. What do you mean by S1 refers to? What do you mean by S1 refers to? S1 is refers to S1 is refers to what? Quickly. A. Yes, S1 refers to A because first term it is. So like this way we can solve them. Again, nothing. Again, next one. Anything else we can do? Okay. So listen here. So to solve this problem, very interesting it is. So I will solve that because it will take time otherwise. If I'll give to you, it will take time. So just I will make sure and I will solve it quickly. So very good question, Sneha Naika. Yes. So we will go for it. So like this way question when it will come, it will confuse a lot. So for that purpose, first, yes, Vasudev is saying a DA1. No, just I will tell you what you have to do. So let us take the first sum of the first term. You will take it as a SN. So little bit S I will do capital because I can't do any changes here. So I will do like so SN divided by small sn because both of them are the sum of the different APs, not same APs. So according to that, we can apply the formula. So formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula whole divided by. We can go with the one more formula. See this one A, I will make it capital A because this first term A we don't know. Which is that first term is we don't know. Because first AP what we have now, that we will take as a capital A. Second one is A2 we will take. Third one we will take A3. Next one we will take A4 and so on. Okay, till A7 the hag, so A7 we will take like this way. So small one more AP we will take as a small A. Okay, small A we will take because different APs we have. Okay, so this is the first AP. This is the second AP. So second AP also we can write it down as n by 2 into small a I will write and n will remain as it is, but d value I will take it as a sorry, this here also I will make the d capital because difference also we don't know whether it is equal or what. So for that purpose I will make the d capital. So this one we know that is equals to n plus 7 divided by 3n plus 1. Okay, 3n plus 1. Next, here one thing we can cancel out, that is n by 2. Here also n by 2 we can cancel out. Remaining will be 2 times capital A, first letter of the first AP, plus 2a we have, sorry, okay, sorry, we will take this A outside only. 2a, remove the sign, plus n minus 1 into d whole divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into small d, that is equals to n plus 7 divided by 3n plus 1. Okay, so far anyone have a doubt means you can ask. So far anyone have a doubt means you can ask. Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? So far. So this is the using, yes, no doubt. Oh, okay, let us continue further. So here we require that a plus n minus 1 into d because we want to find the nth term. That is the sixth term we are finding. So we want the whole answer in terms of, because of we are finding the seventh term. We have to find the seventh term for it. So we have to go through the here the answer. So here what is required? Here we have to remove this 2a. Why it have to remove the 2a? Because you know a7 formula is a plus 6 minus 7 minus 1 is 6d. So we want here, or an formula is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d, means we required only here a plus n minus 1 into d, means here instead of this have to take this. So what is extra here? The extra thing is here is this 2. The 2 we have to remove from it. So what I will do is 2 I will take it common. So when I will take the 2 common, the inside it will remain a, but here the whole thing will change differently. So here also we have to take the 2 common. So n minus 1 divided by 2 into d. So here also I will take the 2 common. So here also a I will take it outside. So 2 I have taken outside, only remain a. Here also n minus 1 divided by 2 into d. So you may ask why I have done like this way. So you may ask why I have done like this way. I will tell you 1 second. What I did is this 2, what I have that outside 2, that I have taken outside the bracket, so that inside it will be a as it is, it will keep, because 2 is that we have taken outside. But here we don't have 2, but we have taken the 2 outside. So what we have to do? So we have to make it sure that we have divided 2. What will happen? So here we can multiply 2 and here you can divide by 2. So this 2 can be outside. So this 2 will remain here only. The d as kept as it is. So whenever if it is not there, if you are taking anything common, that time the same number you have to multiply or divide for it if you are taking it common. So similarly over here on the bottom also, here we don't have 2 over here. So what we will do here, we will multiply 2 and divide 2, so that this 2 can be taken outside, this 2 will remain as it is here. Okay. So next step, now make sure this term, this now it is easy for you, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. It will not make any difference for us. So now make sure that what we have here and what we have to find the 7th term, the ratio of the 7th term. A7 we have to find. So A7 is nothing but a plus 6d. So already you can see in place of a we have a. In place of a we have a. Not a problem. Okay. So if you want, I will write once again a plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into d whole divided by a plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into d. That is equals to n plus 7 divided by 3n plus 1 ratio they have given as it is they have kept. So here you can see in place of a, it may be a small a or capital A. If for the capital first AP, it looks like this way. In place of a we have a, but in place of d we have d. But in place of 6 what we have? In place of 6 what actually we have? N minus 1 divided by 2. So substitute that value. So it is nothing but n minus 1 divided by 2 value is nothing but 6. So if we will make this whole value as 6, so that time we will get the A7th term. So what will happen? N value is how much now? N value will become 2, you take it to the other side, 6 into 2 minus 1 we have here. So 6 to the 12, n minus 1 it is. N value will become 12 plus 1, 12 plus 1 is 13. So n value will become 13. So here the n value is became a 13. Remember, n value will become a 13. So this n value we found. The n value is nothing but 13 it is. Okay. So we can go with the formula. So what is that formula is? Now we will go for the ratio. So here same thing you have to write down here. Okay. So n value will become 13. How it came? Using this. 1 second. So I will write down A7 is equals to a plus 6d. Okay, this is the equation, first equation we can take, and this is the one more equation we can take. Compare. That is n minus 1 divided by 2 will become 6. So n value will become, n minus 1 value will become 6 to the 12. This 2 will go up. So n value will become 13. Okay. So afterwards we will continue. we will continue. So we found the n value. So substitute now the what we require. We want that a7 divided by a6. Sorry, a7. a7 by a7 is nothing but formula we will apply. That is nothing but a plus 6d divided by. So that is capital A. You can make it here, and here we can make it small a plus 6d. That is equals to n value already we know. The n value is how much? 13 plus 7 divided by 3 into n value is 13 because already got that 13 as the answer, plus 1, that is nothing but 13 plus 7 is 20 and 13 3 is 39 plus 1, so it is 20 by 40. So 2 21 are 22 the ratio of that is 1 by 2. The ratio of the seventh term of that AP is nothing but 1 by 2. So this is the way how we have to find. The problem here is, wait one second. The problem here is only one thing, that how to find the n value, because n value we don't actual n value. Okay, so that n value is required. So the ratio will become 1 by 2, 1 is to 2. That is nothing but capital A7 to the small a7. Clear? So this is the way how you have to solve. Those are not understood this, don't worry. Just I will explain to you. So till here I hope all of you understood. Where till here? Till here you have understood. This is a tricky question. This is the CBSE question. Remember, CBSE question it is. It will be asked in CBSE, but not for the state syllabus. But if it is asked, means you must know how to solve. Okay. So how many of you have doubt? I don't know here. But if you have a doubt, just you listen. Yes. Okay. You understood this, or you can check it with the video once again. Otherwise, I will explain to you. Listen here. Till here, no problem. I hope till here it is no problem for you. Next, what I have did is, okay, 2 I have taken common, that you understood, all of you. 2 I have taken common, that you understood. 2 have taken common, so inside it will remain 2 is taken out. So previously it is 2 is taken out from here also, and from here also it is not there here, 2 is not there. So what we will do, divided by 2 we will do. Next, this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled out. Remaining will be this much, that is a plus, okay, one second. Remaining will be this much, that is a plus n minus 1 divided by 2. This will be remains as it is. And now it is equals to n plus 7, that is on the right hand side what ratio they have given, that we have to write as it is. That is not the change. But actually what we are finding, we are finding the a seventh term. Seventh term we are finding, therefore a seventh term is nothing but a plus 6d. So here compare now this one and this one, the above one. So in place of a we have a. So I will mark it. In place of a we have a. Okay, one second. Okay, in place of a we have a. Not a problem at all. But in place of d, that is a d part, that is 6d. In place of 6d we have here this much. So if you want, make it properly, write it down, it will be proper. Okay, in place of d we have d only. In place of d we have d only. But in place of this 6 we have n minus 1 divided by 2. So we have to find that n minus divided by 2 is equal to 6. Compare. So n minus 1 will be 12 and n value will be 13. This n value 13, no, that you substitute in this formula. That is what they have given the ratio. The ratio of the sum of the terms. What they have given. In that formula you have to substitute the 13 value. And when you substitute that 13 as the answer, then it is nothing but a7 by small a7. The two APs ratio. That ratios are nothing but 1:2. So this much only the thing. So explanation it will require more. So this is the how you have to find. So this is the answer how you got it. So I hope you have understood this. Little bit tricky it is, not so easy. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. It is not so understanding for the first time, you can refer it once again and you can do it. And I hope several students have understood. So next, one more problem we have. That problem we will solve for tomorrow class because it is already time. Vasudev we have given. So Vasudev and again three more questions are there that we will solve for tomorrow's class because it is already 12 o'clock. If you can listen means I will teach you, otherwise tomorrow. Whether I have to continue because already 1 hour. You can't sit for 1 hour, more than 1 hour. So anyone you have the patience to listen, I will teach you that also, otherwise tomorrow we will continue. I have to continue tomorrow or today only. One more question we have. That is one more question that is given by Vasudev from a convent, Nirmala Convent, Kumta. So we have to continue tomorrow. Let us continue tomorrow. Today only. You have the patience now to listen. Okay. So let us continue with the today only if you want today itself. Okay. So some students are saying today and some students are saying tomorrow. Okay. As you wish, just to one sum as one sum, but it is a one sum. What will happen to this one sum is it is a lengthy one more. It will take another 10 to 15 minutes. So for that purpose, this question you have, it is on the screen now. You can see, just you see that and try to solve them. It is very interesting question. See this question, you can refer the question, take down as it is a homework for you because tomorrow we will continue, but take down as a homework because this question what we have, lots of things we have. What we have to do, we have to find if in AP the pth term, qth term and the rth term of respectively ABC, then prove that A q minus r plus B r minus p and plus C p minus q is equals to 0. That we have to prove, and this question is given by Vasudev from Kumta. So very good question, very interesting question, and this is also taken from the CBSE board. Okay, one time they have taken from the CBSE board, so we have to study the CBSE syllabus also, then it will be good. So this is a easy question, it will come for 3 to 4 marks. So today is the homework for you, tomorrow we will solve. Yes, Vasudev. And today I have taken the introduction of AP totally. Then we will went for the 2 more problems. So tomorrow we will continue. Take care all of you. Anyone have a doubt? You can ask me. You have taken the question. Yes. So thank you for watching today. We will see you tomorrow. Take care.